Hello, my name is Gloria Michelle Leal, and the article I chose is What Can K through 12 School Leaders Learn from Video Games and Gaming by Richard Halverson. I chose to analyze this article because I believe it is a topic that is not discussed often, and I wanted to learn how I could successfully incorporate video games in my future classroom. Halverson discusses the antiquated associations some teachers and school leaders have regarding gaming. And he also stresses that because of the benefits gaming provides students, it should be incorporated into learning environments. According to Halverson's findings, gaming can be used successfully as a medium of learning. The article provides valuable information that differentiates between exogenous gaming, which most educators are familiar with, and endogenous gaming. Halverson mentions that for many school leaders and teachers, improving student achievement on standardized tests pushes for increasingly prescriptive, content coverage approaches to instruction. In turn, subjects that are not tested provide school leaders with the opportunity to innovate the curriculum. Once school leaders are on board, educators can start implementing gaming in their classrooms. Gaming and schooling have until now followed separate developmental paths. The gaming generation, our students, is at the forefront of a wave of computerized innovation that the leaders of the educational establishment resist, even as leaders are pressured to use technology for improving classroom instruction. Video games and gaming provide paths for integrating new technologies. Simply recognizing games as potent learning environments would be a start for counteracting the current anti-gaming rhetoric. Schools can take steps to incorporate gaming principles in the design of school learning environments. Thank you for viewing my presentation. I have included my reference in the case that anyone would like to read the article and learn more.